What voltage range do RC receivers need? Ever wonder what kind of power your RC receiver needs to keep your model running smoothly? Well, let's break down the voltage requirements so you can keep your RC toys performing at their best. Most RC receivers need a voltage supply between about 4.8 volts and 7.4 volts. That range is what keeps them working safely and reliably. The majority of standard receivers are designed to operate comfortably around 4.8 volts to 6 volts. This voltage range matches common battery packs like 4-cell nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium batteries, which give you 1.2 volts, totaling 4.8 volts. It also matches a single 2-cell lithium polymer battery, which has a nominal voltage of 7.4 volts, but often includes a built-in regulator to bring the voltage down to a safe level for the receiver. Some receivers can handle slightly higher voltages, up to about 7 volts, but pushing beyond that can risk damaging internal parts like voltage regulators and capacitors. The reason they need this voltage is simple. The receiver needs a steady power source to run its internal circuits and send signals to servos and other components. Many receivers include an internal voltage regulator that steps down the input voltage to a stable level, usually around 3.3 to 5 volts, which is what the sensitive radio frequency and logic parts need. If you supply less than about 4 volts, the receiver might turn off or reset often. Too much voltage, especially over the recommended limit, can cause permanent damage. When you're using battery packs for RC toys, most are within the 4.8 to 6 volt range, making them safe choices. If you're using higher voltage batteries like a 2-cell lithium polymer pack at 7.4 volts, it's common to use an electronic speed controller with a built-in battery eliminator circuit. This circuit provides a regulated 5 or 6 volts to the receiver, protecting it from overvoltage. Servos connected to the receiver can sometimes handle higher voltages than the receiver itself, but it's best to power them with their own regulated supply if possible. Smaller RC toys with single-cell lithium polymer batteries, which are around 3.7 volts, might not provide enough power for standard receivers. In those cases, you might need a 2-cell pack or a voltage booster to ensure proper operation. To sum it up, the typical voltage range for RC receivers is about 4.8 volts to 7.4 volts. Always check your specific receiver's specifications from the manufacturer before powering it up. Using a regulated power supply or a battery eliminator circuit ensures your receiver gets a stable voltage, which means better performance and longer life for your RC model. Proper voltage management between your battery, receiver, and servos is key to making your RC experience smooth and fun.